Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about .class and tag.Class for CSS Selector. In last video, we have learned ID and tag has ID. So we'll go to the VS Code and last code is there. We are using ID. We have click navigate to the particular URL and click on that practice button and again return back to the home page. So this is we use like has ID and the tag has ID we use. So today we will learn about the .class and tag.class selectors. We will create another function of that. We copy and paste it block and using class we can use and we can say here like which button you want to click on that. So this is very important topic which is related to selectors and how to interact the different type of selectors. We'll go to the page. First we want to click on the practice buttons. So we can how to select the selector of that. Right click, we go to the inspect, click on the practice, and here we want to use the particular things like here we want to use our class, and here you can see the class is here, and class we want to use this class like this is a class text. Okay, and if you want to see here class, here the more content are there like very big content is that menu hyphen item, menu item hyphen type my post. So in this case what will happen, if you want to use the dot class, okay, it will be showing like see it's matching, but if you press the dot means class attribute. So here if you want to do this one, so dot it will not displaying matching item is not there. Reason behind that, we have any class value is there, in that value have a space, then it won't work. How to work? Instead of space we have to use the dot. So here space is there, we can use a dot. Again here also space is there, remove space instead of that dot, and here also space is there, we can use the dot. So now you can see selector is coming. Okay, we can use one type of selector, this one. Okay, and another thing is there, very good example. If here you can see, here you can see like menu hyphen item hyphen 20 is there is no space. If want to use continuous string like this till here it is work, then it's very good. You can see it's working, it is also in 1 out of 1. So we can use the sort class also, we can use this one. Okay, we'll write the script for that. cy dot get. Okay, and here we can use the selector dot click. Okay, after click on that, this is related to the dot class. After click on the practice button, internal server. Okay, just click on the practice button and this page is coming. Now I think we'll click on the test login page. Here we can check we want to use. Okay, now we will see here is the, if you want to click on the link, this is a hyperlink. If you want to click on that, and it's like hyperlink is there. If you want to use the class, class is here. We will see the class we can able to use or not. See, yeah, if you use the class, we are able to use. But what will happen in the class? Have a multiple selectors. Here also same thing is there. Want to remove the spaces and we'll see. Yeah, 4 is there. In this case very difficult to click on that. Okay, multiple selectors are there. We will cover this topic in upcoming video. That is very easy, but after learning about the selector it is very easy to understand about the how to interact the multiple selector also. So in that case, if you use this class it will not work correctly. And second thing is there, if you highlight the class, you can see the highlight the class. Is the full things is highlighting here. It's not highlighting like only text. See, this is the correct one. So this hyperlink is the correct. In that case, what will happen? We can use the test login page. This text we can use. Through the text also we are able to click on the buttons. So here also multiple test login page is the text. If you want to use the text, we will use the text, so you will get to know how to handle the multiple elements also in this case. Okay, so for text, if any text is visible on the web page and through that we are able to click, that is very easy. We can use the contains method. cy dot contain is the method to use any of the text is there and you want to click button. Okay, we want to click on that. This is a button. This is a button you want to click, but here multiple elements are there. How to handle the multiple elements? See, you can see first out of first, this is not highlighting. Second one is highlighting, 2 out of 2. Second, this is second, and in last one also. Okay, 2 is there, it's last one. So you can use the, if last is there, you can use direct last function also there. Okay, you can use the last function, it will click on that and it will work. It is the first, you can use the first. If the multiple is there, dot eq is there, equal to 1 2 3 4, anyone is there, we can add it. We will learn in that upcoming video related to multiple selectors. Okay, now after click on here, one more page is coming. We want to handle related to tag.Class. We will check that class attributes is there. For input, class attribute is not there, you can see, and password also not there. Okay, class attribute, therefore submit button, we will use the submit button then. Okay, we can check it is correct one. Yeah, dot and button is the tag name, button. Okay, we can use this one. After click on that, we will get your username is invalid. Okay, then here also we can use a class tag.Class. So cy dot get, you want to interact the elements. Okay, dot click is there. Good. Now want to know about that. If you click on that, this message is displaying or not. If this message is display, it means we are correctly click on the button, otherwise no. So and you know, when you want to assert any of the text, this is the text. Okay, last, and we did cy dot contain is there, and this is a contain. We can use the assertions also. Just a minute, see, and we can use the should command. Should, and it should be visible, right? B dot visible is our command to see the particular text is display or not. This is our code. We can use here also, like last is there, and here also we can use should command. So when this button, this text is display, then only it will click, otherwise no. So you can use the should command here also, no issue for that. If you are using the multiple command, like multiple assertion in the particular line, that is really good only. Should and b dot visible. The main advantage of the Cypress is like in single line of code, we are able to use multiple assertions. That is very good things. Okay, now we will run the test case. We want to see if it's working or not. We'll open the Cypress and px Cypress open. And when everyone know, we have to select E2E testing, select the Chrome browser. What is the test case? CSS selector our test case. You can select the test case. And now here in describe multiple it blocks is there. Means two test cases are there. First test case is using ID, second one using class. So if you are click navigating the URLs, URL is open, click on the practice button and come back to the home. Second test case. Okay, it's going to again URL and is getting pass. We want to see the test case. Okay, you can see we are expecting test is assertion. Assertion is the should command we use means assertion is there, it is visible or not. And this one, your username is invalid, it is expecting is visible. You are able to see. So this is our process to do for that class.Class and tag.Class example of that. In the upcoming video, we will learn about that attribute value and that dot class attribute and tag dot class attribute. Both we will learn in one video. Okay. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.